Hello guys, welcome to lecture 3 of coordinate geometry series. So let's start, we'll solve some problem, right? So problem says find the distance between the following pair of points. So what are the points? 2, 3 and 5, 7. Now let us suppose you forget about the formula, and remember in this question it is not specified whether it is a rectangular coordinate axis or it is a oblique axis. So we will assume it is a rectangular coordinate axis, right? So if you don't know about rectangular coordinate axis, go back and watch my previous lectures, right? So let us suppose you forget the formula of distance, right? So how to compute the distance between these 2 points? So what we will do, we'll plot this point. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 2, 3. X-axis, that is abscissa. Abscissa is what? 2 and ordinate is 3. So 2 in X and 3 in Y. So this is the point. I'm calling it as a P point. Let it be this point Q, right? So now Q point is 5, 7. So 5, 7 would be here somewhere. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. That is the line segment distance. So now you forget the formula. How to evaluate? Just find what is the displacement in x-axis. What is the difference of x coordinate? So difference is, this is 5. We will draw this line, right? So this is 5 minus 2, that is 3. This is 7 minus 3, that is 4. And this is right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, this is 3, this is 4, this will be 3 square plus 4 square, which is nothing but 5 square ka under root, which is 5. Second problem, 4, minus 7 and minus 1, 5. So what is the distance between these 2 points? Difference in x is how much? 4 minus of minus 1, right? Whole square plus difference in y, minus 7 and minus 5 whole square. What is this? 5 square, that is 25. What is this? Minus 12. Minus 12 square is what? Plus 144. This is what? 169. And square root of this, that is a square root of this, that is a square root of this, which is nothing but 13.